Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Restoring recently closed tabs in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Open multiple tabs. Now close the browser. Now again open it. Your previous tabs are closed. How you can restore that? It is very simple. Just press these three buttons at a time. I am writing here in screen as well. Control plus Shift plus T button. Your closed tabs are opened. There you go. If you wanted to know how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.